जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 569th namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 60th sloka. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattara Swami, who gave the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha, Sri Rangesa Purohitaha, Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who glows like the sun. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindha Kanda, Sugriva saying that, "O Rama, please be strong. If we have to successfully accomplish our work, we have to have that perseverance. We have to have that braveness. O Rama, the one who is brave would not go down even if there is so much of grief comes to him. The one who is brave would not go down even if there is so much of loss in his business. The one who is brave, he would not go down even if there is a deadly danger comes to him." O Rama, what he does, in every of those kind of circumstances, the one who is brave, he does evaluates what's supposed to be done, what's supposed to be not done. These kind of things he thinks very well, he does it, and he would always be brave, he would not go depressed. O Rama, the one who always cries, what happens to him, as and how, if there is too much of weight in the boat drowns in the water. So also those who cries all the time, the grief itself drowns them. Rama, Esha Anjalihi Maya Baddhaha Pranayatvam Prasadaye. I am doing namaskaram to you, Rama, with all my respect. Out of concern, out of affection, I am consoling you. But there is no other reason behind it, Rama. Please do not think otherwise. O Rama, that is why do not cry anymore. Rama, those who cries all the time, there is no happiness to them. Those who cries all the time, their glow also will be going down. Those who cries all the time, there is a chance of death also. For Rama, that is why get rid of this grief. Do not cry. Be brave, be strong. Rama, because you are my best friend. For your well-being, I am telling you all these things. That's all. Now upadisami te. I am not teaching you anything, Rama. Please don't get me wrong. Rama, if you respect me, if you respect my friendship, right now you have to come out of this grief and you have to be strong. Like that, when Sugriva talked so sweetly, out of so much of care and concern, Rama started getting consoled. Rama immediately vastrantena pramarjayat. His face is filled up with so many tears. So Rama now, he has taken the tip end of his cloth and he wiped off all the tears. And now, just like previous Rama, he became strong and he gave some parishvajya, a big tight hug to Sugriva again. Now Rama is saying to Sugriva like this, "Oh Sugriva, your sweet words really pacified me, consoled me. Oh Sugriva, you have so much of care, you have so much of affection towards me, and you really wish my well-being. That is why your words sounded so sweet to me. Your words made me just like previous Rama. Oh Sugriva, in this troublesome period, getting such a best friend like you is a huge blessing. It is a great boon. Oh Sugriva, I am really fortunate to get you as my friend in this troublesome time. Oh Sugriva, but you know what? You have to immediately start trying to get that Rakshasa who abducted my Sita. You have to start doing that. You have to start planning to get him, planning to search for him." Like that, Rama is saying to Sugriva. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Nadham Ichchati, this project is a feast to Paramatma. That is why every one of us supposed to be giving this feast to Sriman Narayana. Let us all get ready to take participation in this Nadham Ichchati. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 60th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Bhagavan Bhagahanandi Vanamali Halayudha Adityo Jyotiraदित्यः Sahishnuः Gatisattamaः. Bhagavan Bhagahanandi Vanamali Halayudha Adityo Jyotiraदित्यः Sahishnuः Gatisattamaः. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha. Om Jyotiraadityaya Namaha.